Hello everyone, Coach Carole here with you for tip number 12. For today is January the 12th. My tip is another in the series for genealogists and storytellers. And today I'm focusing in on how to be a successful genealogist in a particular way, and that is how to get more from your research. Let me share this slide with you just to give you some ideas about how you can get more from your research. One way to do it is to dig deeper into the archives. You've probably been to some of your favorite sites to research your ancestors in the past, and you've got a few records, but now you want to know more. So you need to dig a little deeper. Go ahead and do that and find those elusive records that you've been searching for all these years. You've probably got a little more information now about where is the best place to go to find them. And you've been asking yourself this question for some time. Well, that's how I imagine it for you. So dig deep into that archive and get more resources and more records. And when you get one of the records, dig even deeper. Have a closer look at the record itself. You may be surprised to what you'd missed seeing before. For example, my recent research on one of my ancestors uncovered, again, the 1841 census for him and his family. And I had not noticed on it that it said his occupation was a publican. So that sent me off on another tangent to seek more information about what it was like for publicans and how to get their licenses, etc., in the 1840s. So that's another way that you can make sure that you don't miss anything. Go back into the records you already have. Also, record your findings methodically. I've learned over the years that I've wasted a lot of time by refinding things that I've already seen before, but just not archived properly. Go back to those and store them. Put them into your filing system on your computer, or add notes to Evernote as I do, and make sure you've got the sources cited correctly for them. It'll save you a lot of time and a lot of repetitious work. So be methodical. And the third part of this tip today is being able to find those records and notes again easily. So you need to be organized. You need to know what is the best filing system for you, the best way of naming your documents, and the best way of subdividing the folders in which they live. Make it sensible for you so that you know where to go back. Don't just name everything genealogy. Have some subfolders, maybe based on your ancestral surnames, and within it, the branches from each of those. So you need to know where to find those notes when you're writing your stories, of course. So being organized is a really good tip for you to take away today. So coming back here, I'm just going to take off the slide. Coming back again with you today for tip number 12, just to summarize for you, this was all about being a successful genealogist and how to get more from your research. You need to be inquisitive, you need to be methodical, and you need to be organized. That's it for this tip today. I'll be back later with more.